100 English words with meaning. Emotions and feelings. 1. Happy feeling good. 2. Sad feeling bad. 3. Angry feeling mad. 4. Scared afraid. 5. Excited very happy. 6. Tired low energy. 7. Lonely alone and sad. 8. Worried anxious. 9. Bored not interested. 10. Proud feeling good about something. Common actions. 11. Eat to have food. 12. Sleep to rest at night. 13. Go to move somewhere. 14. Come to arrive. 15. See to look at. 16. Speak to talk. 17. Read to look at words. 18. Write to use a pen or keyboard. 19. Walk to move on foot. 20. Run to move fast. 21. Wake up, open your eyes. 22. Brush clean teeth or hair. 23. Cook, make food. 24. Clean, make something tidy. 25. Work to do a job. 26. Study to learn. 27. Play to enjoy a game. 28. Watch to look at something. 29. Listen to hear with attention. 30. To operate a car. Adjectives. 31. Hot, high temperature. 32. Cold, low temperature. 33. Big, large size. 34. Small, not big. 35. Fast, high speed. 36. Slow, not fast. 37. Beautiful, very nice to see. 38. Ugly, not beautiful. 39. Easy, not difficult. 40. Hard, difficult. Food and drink. 41. Water, clear drink. 42. Milk, white drink. 43. Tea, hot drink. 44. Coffee, strong drink. 45. Rice, common food. 46. Bread made of flour. 47. Egg, oval-shaped food. 48. Meat, animal food. 49. Fish swims in water. 50. Fruit, natural sweet food. Common objects. 51. Pen for writing. 52. Book for reading. 53. Phone for calling. 54. Chair for sitting. 55. Table, flat surface. 56. Bag for carrying. 57. Shoes worn on feet. 58. Clothes, what we wear. 59. Computer for work study. 60. TV for watching shows. Places. 61. Home, where you live. 62. School for learning. 63. Office for working. 64. Market for shopping. 65. Hospital for treatment. 66. Bank for money. 67. Restaurant for eating out. 68. Park, open place for walking. 69. Road, where vehicles move. 70. Airport for flights. People and family. 71. Father, dad. 72. Mother, mom. 73. Brother, male sibling. 74. Sister, female sibling. 75. Friend, person you like. 76. Teacher gives lessons. 77. Doctor helps sick people. 78. Student, one who learns. 79. Police keeps us safe. 80. Driver drives vehicles. Nature and environment. 81. Sun gives light. 82. Moon, night light. 83. Star, bright in sky. 84. Rain, water from sky. 85. Cloud in the sky. 86. Treat all plant. 87. Flower, colorful plant. 88. River, water body. 89. Mountain, very tall hill. 90. Wind, moving air. Helpful words. 91. Yes, positive. 92. No, negative. 93. Please, polite request. 94. Thank you, showing thanks. 95. Sorry, apology. 96. Hello, greeting. 97. Goodbye, farewell. 98. Okay agreement. 99. More greater amount. 100. Less smaller. Subscribe and stay tuned for more lessons.